And in response to growing outrage about the state of the roads across the country, the government today announced the start of the second phase of its Go Road Rehab program. The $1.4 billion initiative will see roads with high traffic volumes getting priority.
We have heard the call from the public. We understand the frustration of road users, and we accept that many Jamaicans are facing difficult daily commutes because of the condition of some of our roads. This second phase of the Go Road Rehab is intended to move quickly on priority thoroughfares and deliver practical improvements where they are urgently needed. Many of our roads were already vulnerable, and Hurricane Melissa further exposed those weaknesses. We have also had above average rainfall across much of the island over the last 6 months. That is why the government has had to combine emergency rehabilitation, targeted road surfacing, drainage intervention, and large-scale road works.